Here we go, we're warming up. Power march. 4 more. Small heels to glutes, here we go. Keep it nice and easy. Getting the heart rate up a little bit, warming up. Get the blood flowing, that's it. Abs are tight. Looking good. Shuffle in place here. Nice and easy, balls of your feet. Let's add a little low block, it's down, down. Squeezing the tricep. Abs are tight. Keep going. Squeeze, squeeze. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Shuffle side to side. Here we go. Tap. Tap. Good. Using those legs. Keep this going. We're going to add an arm reach to the wall. Here we go. Stretching out the back. Reach. Keep going. 4 more. 3, 2. Hold the reaches here. Corner, corner. Knees are bent. Abs are tight. Good. Stretching out the back and the arms. 4, 3, 2. Step tap side to side. Here we go. Come on. Pump the arms. We're gonna keep this step tap. Add the overhead reach. Reach, reach. Good. Let's add a ham curl. Pull the arms. Pull. Heels are up. You're doing great. We're getting warm. We're gonna move this up for 4. It's 4, 3, 4. Knee pull back. Good. Move it up again. Knee pull back. Good. Move it up again. Squeeze it back. Knee pull back. Hold the knee center. Here we go. Pull, pull. Use those arms. Reach and pull. 4, 3, 2, and let's step tap. Here we go. This way. Pull. 4 more. Let's turn it to the side, front, back, and tap. For 4, 3, 2. We're gonna add an arm reach, leg lift. Reach, heel tap. Good. Let's go into a lunge, lateral raise. Come on, warming up the legs. 1 more, and hold it down. Hands on hips. Let's bring that hip under. You're gonna lean back slightly for a nice stretch in that quad. Very important, stretch out the muscles. That's it, hold it. 4, 3, 2. Let's slide that back leg in. Front foot comes up. Soft bend in both knees and drop the chest for a nice hamstring stretch. Good, drop the foot, drop the chest all the way down and roll up slow. Pivot front, inhale. And exhale, and let's step tap the other way. Here we go. Pull, pull, come on, you're looking great. 4 more, 4, 3. We're gonna turn the other way and step tap. Here we go, turn. Pull the back. Let's add that leg lift. Here we go. It's up, heel tap, up. 2 more. And single lunge, here we go. It's down. Good, abs are pulled in. Working the shoulders and hold it down, hands on hips. Bring that hip under. You're leaning back slightly for a nice stretch in that quad. Good, hold it. Let's slide that back foot in. Front foot comes up. Soft bend in both knees and drop the chest. Hands on hips. Good, good form. Drop the foot. Chest all the way down and roll up slow. Pivot front. Give me a deep inhale. And exhale again. Let's bring both arms out in front for a nice back stretch. Chin to your chest. Roll the shoulders forward. Abs are pulled in. Good, chest up. Arms side and arms behind. Chest is up. Nice chest stretch. And shoulders. Good. Drop it down, shake them out. Let's march it out. You're ready for cardio. Good job. Here we go with low impact. Power march in place. Pumping the arms. That's it. Getting the heart rate up. Here we go. 4, 3, quick squat, out, out, in. Out, out. Get low, down. Good. Working those legs. That's it. Keep it going. Let's do a V step here. Watch. Corner, corner, reach. V. V. Strong arms. Abs are pulled in. Keep going. Corner to corner. We're gonna do a little combo. Watch. We're gonna do 2 V's, 2 squat pulse. Hands on hips. Plyo jump. In. Let's repeat that again. V. 2 squat pulse. Plyo in. Let's repeat that one more time. 2 V. Power squat. Plyo. Repeat that. Here we go. We're adding on. 2 squat pulse. Plyo in. We're gonna add a knee lift for 4. Twist. 2 low jack. Push. 2 regular. Here we go. From the top. V. V. 2 squat pulse. Plyo in. Jump in. Knee lift for 4. 4, 3, 2. 2 low jack. 2 regular. Let's do it one more time. Good. 2 squat pulse. Here we go. Keep the hips back. Plyo. Knee lift for 4. Elbow. Good. 2 low jack. 2 regular. We're gonna repeat it other direction. Here we go. Reach, reach, reach. 2 squat pulse. Plyo. Knee lift. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. 2 low jack. Pump it. 2 regular. Again. Reach, reach. You're doing great. 2 squat. Plyo. 4 knee. Good. Low jack for 2. 2 regular. One more time. Here we go. Squat pulse. Get low. Plyo. 4 knee. Here we go. 2 low jack. 2 regular. Hold the jack now. Pam will be doing the low impact, the modified jack. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Squat out. 2 hops in. Reach. 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 Good. 4, 3, 2. Let's hold that squat. Here we go. Reach. Hips go back. Get that heart rate up. That's it. Now we're working the legs. Arms stay parallel to the floor. Down. 4 more. How are we doing back there? Good. Twist and reach, corner to corner. Bam, bam. Keep a soft bend in both knees. Abs are pulled in. Shoulders down, elbows up. Come on. Like you mean it. Burning fat. Yeah. Keep this going. Come on. Let's squat a little bit lower. I want you to use those legs while working the upper body. Come on. 4 more. 2, elbows in, palms up. Keep that twist. Come on, strong arms. Keep that twist, take it a little lower. Bend those knees, it's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You're gonna keep that twist, add the reach straight down in front. Bam, bam. Reach, reach. Come on. Working that midsection, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Elbows in, give me fists out in front. You're still twisting. That's it, come on. Let's punch it down, front and back. Come on. Punch, punch, punch. Really twist those shoulders, come on. Use those arms, working the bicep and the back of the arm. Good. How are we doing? Oh, yeah. Punch, punch. Come on, strong arms, you've got it. Keep it going, come on. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. March in place, power. Woo! That's it, come on, I want those knees up. Pump the arms. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Low jack here, here we go. Push, push. Come on, arms all the way up, all the way down. Working those shoulders, come on. You look great. That's it. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And march in place, you did it. Great job. Hope you had a great workout. We're cooling down. March in place. Nice and easy. 4 more. Step tap here, side to side. Reach. Good, nice and easy. Let's add an arm reach. Reach. Pull. Pull, that's it. Let's add a knee lift. Pull. Nice and easy. It's important to cool down. 4 more. 3, 2, that's it. Single squat, hands on hips. Remember that form. Hips go back. We're gonna squat with an alternating knee lift. Lift that knee. Down and up. That's it, good. Let's add a side leg lift. Good, working the abductor. Let's add a back leg lift. Keep that leg behind the shoulder, squat. Squat, good. Step tap side to side, pull. That's it. Bringing that heart rate down. Let's add an overhead reach, here we go. Reach. Good. 4, 3, 2, and let's hold the reach here to the wall. Really elongate your body for a nice stretch. Good, keep that shoulder down. Reach your fingers, that's it. Flat back, reach to the corner. Keep that shoulder down. Good. Stretching out the back, let's bring the chest center. And let's stretch out the back. So we're gonna round out. Good, and arch. Round out. Good, look up. One more time, round out. Pull your pelvis in. Good, and let's take the chest all the way down. And roll up nice and slow, one vertebrae at a time. Good, overhead reach, let's go the other way. Really reach those fingers, elongate your side. Good, abs are pulled in. Flat back, reach to the corner. Keep that shoulder down. Good. Let's bring the chest center. Back stretch again. Arch. And round. Pelvis in. Look up. Round. One more time. Good. And take the chest all the way down. And roll up nice and slow. Good. Hands on hips. Side to side lunge. Here we go. Hips are back. Drop the chest. That's it. Feel a nice stretch in the hamstring. Let's hold it here. Take the hand to the floor. Nice stretch. Good, let's pivot and take our runner's lunge all the way down. It's great for the hip flexors. Hold it. Good, slide the back leg in. Let's stand all the way up and grab that foot for a quad stretch. And hold it for 8. Keep the hip under. Point the knee to the floor. 4, 3, 2. Good, drop the foot. Face front, deep inhale. And exhale. Great, hands on hips. Side to side lunge the other way. Here we go. Nice and easy. Stretching out the muscles. Good. And hold the lunge here. Let's take that hand to the floor for a nice stretch. Good. Let's pivot. Take our runner's lunge all the way down. Hands are out in front. Good. Abs are pulled in. Slide that back leg in and let's stand all the way up. Still facing the side. Grab that foot for a quad stretch. Point the knee to the floor. That's it. Good, let go. Face front. Let's bring that one arm across, reach underneath for a nice shoulder stretch. Good. Other arm across. Reach underneath, keep the shoulder down. Really get a nice stretch. Give me a deep inhale up. Exhale. One more time, inhale up. Exhale, and you did great.